We are about to start the walking tour of the plant. There are a few stages of the truck assembly process that are not available for viewing on the walking tour. So here we show you a behind-the-scenes look at those areas. Behind the scenes, E-coat. The first step is the coating process by electrophoresis, also known as E-coat. The electrodeposition, or E-coat, is the first layer of a finishing system that guarantees the truck can withstand demanding work cycles and extreme weather conditions. The raw metal cabs are sent first through a multi-stage cleaning and degreasing process. The next step is to submerge the cabin completely in a tank of 76,000 liters, where several pumps shake a liquid paint solution and a high-voltage electrical load is applied. The low current in the entire E-coat tank allows the paint to evenly cover all surfaces. The newly coated cabin is dried in an industrial oven at 350 degrees Celsius for 45 minutes to define the finish. Behind the scenes, top coat. After receiving the E-coat, the cabs go through the assembly process, where we install the roof and the exterior components. Later, they enter a robotic paint application booth that has an electrostatic rotating bell spraying technique. The spray nozzle rotates at 500 revolutions per minute and atomizes the paint, producing electrically charged particles. The result is a more uniform and effective application, guaranteeing a durable and high-quality finish that is seen and maintained for many years. Behind the scenes, chassis paint. The next stop on the tour is the chassis painting area. The chassis first undergoes a 3-step degreasing process, including a solvent cleaning to remove all impurities. Next, all of the components that do not require painting are covered. Then the chassis enters the paint booth, where the workers apply a primer coat to improve the adhesion of the paint to the components that require it. Then the paint application begins, starting at the bottom and then at the top, with an electrostatic process since both the paint and the chassis are electrically charged. The paint is easily absorbed in all cracks and crevices for excellent corrosion resistance. Upon leaving the paint station, the chassis dries in an oven at approximately 86 degrees Celsius and exits through an air cooling cabinet for a bright and durable finish. Behind the scenes, dynamometer and water leak testing. Each truck assembled in the Saltillo plant must pass a dynamometer or dyno test before being released to the customer. The power of the engine is measured by the wheels, and the dynamometer operation checks that all the components of the powertrain, engine, transmission, and axles are working correctly. The result of the dyno tests are recorded and analyzed to ensure that the customer gets a functional truck, configured to their exact specifications. At the end of the process, an intense leak detection test is executed on the truck. Here the cabin is subject to high-pressure spray from multiple angles and is thoroughly inspected from top to bottom to confirm that there is no leakage of water in the cabin. Behind the scenes, Spark. As Daimler strives for greater efficiency and cost reduction, the Spark supplier park was installed in June 2016 as an additional 190,000 square foot manufacturing space. Many parts for the new Cascadia that were manufactured in Gastonia, North Carolina, are now made here in Spark at Saltillo. Behind the scenes, pre-delivery inspection or custom truck service. Next to the truck manufacturing plant in Saltillo is the Custom Truck Service Center. Here, a pre-delivery inspection is completed and custom modifications are added before the trucks reach their final destination. Safety information. Now it is time to start the walking tour in the Saltillo plant. Safety during the tour is very important. Please stay with your guide the entire time and be careful with the traffic of vehicles such as forklifts and industrial vehicles. Safety glasses and earplugs are required at all times. Please do not take pictures or videos, and do not use your cell phones while on the plant floor. Thank you for visiting us today, and please enjoy your tour.